President, I see the VP Education, I see VP of Membership not here, but I also see some faces that I'm not familiar with. So, I know that this is a open house membership drive, and if you're not considering it, you're missing out. You're missing out. And let me tell you what you're missing out on. You're missing out on the opportunity to grow. If you are in a position in which you are comfortable in life, you're not growing, you're stagnant. And in Toastmasters, we say, let's grow. We say, let's do the daggone thing. We say, leave fear at the door and become the great leaders that we should be. In Toastmasters, we say, there's no place we can't go and respectfully represent ourselves. So if you're scared to step up, you're scared to grow too. In Toastmasters, we're never afraid. This is all we have to do is grow ourselves into better leaders. Thank you.